We came together for magic, and we came together to witness VR Diamonds step boldly into a brand new digital future. Today, we watched a website go live, and we celebrated craftsmanship, trust, and elegance. And earlier this evening, we paused to honor Captain Naveen Nagappa, the veteran Kargil war, and the families of our brave martyrs, the heroes who gave us the freedom to stand here and celebrate it at all. And now, as the clock moves past 8, we stand hours away from this event. So, before I let you go, I want to let you go with one thought